Hi.
Okay, so just to review, we are going to be talking about multiplication, and we're going to be learning about multiplication, what that means, and then we're going to do some hands-on learning with that. So today we're going to do candy multiplication. We're going to work with our jelly beans to make arrays. Now this is delicious, and in this sweet lesson you're going to learn about how multiplication works. And multiplication is just repeated addition of equal groups. What's equal groups, Oliver? Do you know what an equal group is?
An equal group is multiple groups of a certain thing.
Yes, equal groups is the same amount in each group. So can you give me an example of equal groups, Lily? Without looking at this, what do you think equal groups would be?
4 and 4.
4 and 4, right? 4, 4, and 4. That's equal groups. True. Now, this is special when you're learning about multiplication. If we say 3 times 4 equals 12.
It means 3 groups of 4.
It's 3 groups of 4, that's right. And 3 is a factor. 4 is a factor. 12 is the product. So that's the same as saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So, with this lesson, I'm going to give you guys this math recording sheet, and I'm going to give you circle grids. So when we're learning about our groups, our equal groups, we're going to be talking about different problems. So if you look on the top there, Lily, can you read the problem to us, the addition fact?
The example one?
Yes.
5 plus 5 plus 5.
And what is that the same as, Oliver?
3 times 5.
That's correct. And the answer is
15.
So let's do that on our circle grids right now. So what we want to do is we want to make 3 groups. So get your candy out, Oliver. So we're looking at 3 groups of 5. When you see 3 times 5, that's the same as saying 3 groups of 5. So where's your groups? What should we point to? Your circles. Here's your circles. Do it on your circles. Each one of those circles will be a group. Sorry. And then inside, you're going to put equal numbers, equal amounts. Awesome. Uh-oh, they're running away. Fantastic, we have it. And just to double check, should we count them?
Alright.
You counted them? Or we could count by 5s. 5,
5, 10, 15.
5, 10, 15. Yes, perfect. That's the same thing. 3 groups of 5. So now, I have a tricky problem for you, Oliver. You pick any one of these cards. Okay, what does it say?
6 times 2.
6 times 2. So how should we read that if times means groups of? Don't give me the answer. Let's do it with our jelly beans.
It means
6
plus.
No, 6 groups.
6 groups of 2.
Okay, so show me on your grids what that looks like with jelly beans.
What, me too?
Yeah, right here. So clear them off, and you got to do 6 groups of 2. And let's see what that answer is. Okay.
That would equal 12.
That would equal 12, and let's count by 2s just to make sure.
2, 4, 6, 8.
4,
4,
6,
8, 10, 12.
10, 12. So on your math recording sheet, let's write the problem both ways. So if we have 6 groups of 2, we need to write 2 plus 2 plus 2, and so on. Let's see how you're doing over here. Ooh, very good. Now how would you write that same problem in multiplication? Good job. And what's the answer? We figured it out. Fantastic. Yay, our product, that's that fancy word for answer, is 12. Look at this. We have 3 as a factor and 4 as a factor to equal the product 12. We just learned 2 more factors of 12. What are they? What are the 2 new factors that we learned that make 12?
6 times 2.
6 and 2. Those are 2 more factors of 12. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Okay, Lily. Okay, clear your boards. We're gonna do another one. Lily's gonna pick one for us.
Okay.
Oliver, you're gonna be ready for 3rd grade. This is amazing. Okay, Lily's gonna pick one. What is it?
3 times 3.
So what does that mean?
3 groups of 3.
3 groups of 3. Okay, Oliver, clear your board. Show me 3 groups of 3.
Okay,
Those little guys. There we go. Yes, okay, what is that? We might have to count these ones.
9.
You knew it. Okay, let's write it. How do we write it 2 ways? Let's write it the addition way and the multiplication way. And then let's see what our product is.
I'm smart.
You are smart, and so are you. 3 plus 3 plus 3. And how do you write that as a multiplication problem? Yes, sir. And what's your answer? You're gonna have to count them, maybe. No, you already do. Good job. Fantastic. Okay, Oliver, it is your turn to pick. What does that say?
2 times 5.
2 times 5. 2 groups of 5. What does that look like? Show me. 2 groups of 5.
5.
Excellent. Can we write that as an addition fact and also as a multiplication fact? Oh, you're missing one over here. Yeah, we need 5. 2 groups of 5. Excellent. And then what is the product? What's 2 groups of 5 or 5 times 2? Or 2 times 5. And now we're on to a new step.
10.
Yes. And did you hear what I did just then? I said 5 times 2. I mean 2 times 5. I have a special term here. Do you know what that says?
No.
Oh, commutative property.
Commutative property. Do you know what commutative means? Don't you say. Oliver, do you know what commutative means?
Basically everyone owns it.
No. But it starts with something like that. What does commute mean? What do you think commute means? If you commute to work, how are you getting there? You're moving. So when you say commute, it also means move around. So the commutative property means that the 2 numbers, Oliver, can move either way. So you could do 2 times 5 or 5 times 2 and you're still gonna get 10. That's a bonus term. I'm gonna see if you know it at the end.
No.
Okay, clear your board, Lily's turn.
3 times 2.
3 times 2, what does that mean?
3 groups of 2.
Correct. How do you write 3 groups of 2, Oliver, in addition form? 3 groups of 2 in addition form. Good. Now let's write it on our grid. 3 groups of 2. How do we write that addition way? Awesome. Okay, and Lily just showed us 3 times 2. Can you tell us the commutative property of 3 times 2?
2 times 3.
2 times 3. Those numbers can move around. They can commute either way and have the same product. So next time I'm going to ask you the commutative property and see if you know. All right. Oliver's turn. What does it say?
4 times 4.
4 times 4? Oh my gosh, doubles. Those are my favorite. Show me. And say it for me. 4 times 4 means
4 groups of 4.
4.
Groups of 4.
Yes. Show me on your board. Show me with your beans.
Four squared, 16.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I see 4 groups of 4 on yours. One of your groups looks a little big. Oh, maybe that's, oh, it's a fat jelly bean. I thought that was 2. We gotta replace that guy with a real one. That one should be for you to eat.
Oh, yeah, I'm with
Here you go.
that.
Eat that guy. He's kind of weird. Excellent. How do you write 4 groups of 4 in addition form? Let's see how he's doing. Good job, Lily. You did a great job on that. And then how does that look for multiplication? Okay, and when I see 4 times 4, and I see 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, I know that 4 and 4 is what?
8.
4 plus 4 is 8, right? And if you have 2 8s, 4 times 4, good job. You know your addition facts, but that's the same thing. So you can break down your multiplication facts the same way, because